Guys, in this video I'll be giving out one powerful website that will give you free VPN, and I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can get that VPN working on your phone. So stick around with me while you learn how to do that. The free VPN, all you need to do is to copy this code here, this link. I'm going to drop it on my description, or I'll drop it on my bio so you can be able to do that. So once you click on it, you click on search. So once the website opens up, all you need to do is to scroll down here and add an email. So we're going to add our email here. So we're going to paste our email here and click on email me the Avira Prime. So all we need to do now is to go back to our email address, which is our Google Mail, and go back here and refresh. So you're going to see an email that says that you have 92 days free license. Please activate your Avira product. So what we're going to do now is to scroll down here and click on this accept and install. So clicking on that accept and install now, it's going to bring us to this area that asks us to choose our password. So we're going to put in a password. Also remember that if you are putting in a password, you start with uppercase. So we're going to put in a password here. Put in a password and 1 2 3. So we're going to put in a password and we're going to copy the password so we don't make a mistake. We're going to copy the password, and also we're going to click on continue. So after clicking on continue, they will ask you to put a name. So you put your name. You can put random names, then you change your country to United States and then click on register. Remember guys, this VPN is free. You don't have to pay any money for it. You're having it for 92 days, so it's free. So all you need to do now is to click on this install area. So once you click on the install area, it will give you the options of VPN that you need to download. So but I prefer you guys downloading this Phantom VPN Pro. So once you click on it, it will take you straight to your Google Play, or it will take you straight to your Apple Store. So I already have the VPN downloaded on my phone, so I'm going to go over there and open it up, and then what I'm going to do is to click on get started and scroll and log in. So actually I have the account right now. I'm going to log in the account on my phone and then put in my password and click on continue. So once you logged in, you have a premium VPN that's going to last you for 92 days. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, kindly follow us and share this video for people or for someone that wants to get a free VPN. So see you guys on the next one.